My health was so bad at the end of June last year, I personally did not believe I would be alive to celebrate Christmas.
What I was doing wasn't working, and I couldn't figure out why.
There is something super special about Zallevo. It's like you're walking into this big ray of sunshine.
From my perspective, all of you are a core group that have signed up for a journey on planet Earth that none of us have any idea of how big this is going to get. Are you ready for this?
Just being around amazing people and feeling the energy here, it's very hard to put it in words. You just have to be here.
Beautiful.
I'm learning more about how my own conditioning, that life and other businesses and things have kind of conditioned me to think, and how we come together so we can grow more and do more and just be better leaders.
The experience, the culture, the love, the companionship, all of that in one little right here. It's just, why would you miss this?
Hey, we're here, guys.
We are going to bless lives.
I think they're going to bless our lives.
I think they're going to bless us more.
Yes.
You guys ready to serve?
Yeah.
It's very gratifying to be here to kind of help these kids that, are less fortunate, to be able to fix things up, to make it nice for them, a good place, stable environment for them to live in.
We're here to be able to share love with people that deserve love and maybe haven't had the chance to know that they're worth loving. And honestly, we think we're here to serve them, but I promise we're the ones that are walking out of here changed.
There are people in your future that are waiting for you to be your best, and the universe will not send them to you unless you're ready.
This has just changed my life in major ways.
I'm thankful that I trusted and believed in myself enough to take a chance, and what a difference it's made.
Zallevo's for those who want to reach their highest potential. It's for those people who want a place to go where they know they're going to have an impact. And a lot of people end up coming to Zallevo and find that this is a Zallevo family. We're bonded by the mission to make a difference in other people's lives. If you're listening to this right now, the opportunity is here.